My name is Gus. I work as UI and UX designer for 11 years, and today I'll talk about an important part of process of UX and UI process called prototype. Why prototype is so important? First of all, prototype is important because the time to define the most important elements you should consider in your digital project. Also, you can simplify the communication between you and your client or user. And I like prototypes because it's a powerful tool to validate and test your navigation and user flow. And now I will show you the difference about paper prototype, digital prototype, wireframe versus realistic prototypes, and some platforms and some softwares to do your prototypes and interface. Now I will show you some difference about prototypes. I will start with paper prototype or hand sketch prototype. This is, for me, is the most important part of the process because you have opportunity to validate which elements you will put in your project. Also, you can use this to get approval of client or user or validate your navigation. After this, we create wireframe. If you take a look, wireframe is a kind of skeleton. Is the polish, the hand sketch polished, and here you already have all the elements you put in your project and which one and the order should follow. If you take a look, the next one is a digital prototype as well, but is already with visual, is a kind of interface. And in this, if you take a look, the both has the same elements, the same components. The only difference is because in this interface, you have the visual applied, the brand colors, the palette, and the visual elements, icons you should put in your project. And now I will talk about some tools for prototyping. For wireframe and interface, I like to use Sketch. For Windows platform, you can use Figma and Adobe XD. And to animate your prototype and bring your prototype alive, I like to use Marvel and InVision. I think the both is the biggest platform in the market nowadays. And I'm really confident if you use prototype in part of your process, you will enhance your results. Thank you. I hope I help you and see you soon.